All right, so here we are. I've cleaned out the whole flange all the way down to the subfloor. And then you'll notice there's cement board here, and then the tile, and then the subfloor. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this liquid wood here. Right here. Liquid wood, 2-part epoxy. I've already mixed it for a minute. It needs to set for a certain period of time before it's ready. So about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to apply it with this brush. We're going to get that treat all this kind of the softer wood where it's got wet and soft. We're going to harden that all the way up, make a nice hard base. All right, up the surface and set it down where it was. So this is all cleaned out, ready. We're going to just rebuild this whole thing. Instead of cutting the pipe originally, that was my first estimate, but upon looking at it further, we can do it this. All right, so we got the liquid wood in here. All right, got it coated all the way around. Looks real good. All right, so now we're doing the next step of the epoxy for the wood epox. Just now getting it formed around the pipe. And as I form it around the pipe, that's also going to seal that up for the rockite later, which will be the final coat that goes on top of this. So this is basically sealing around the pipe. All right, here we are. We've got the wood epox base. Now we got the rockite cured and leveled off to the tile level all the way around. Ready to go. We're going to go ahead and tap the lead now all back onto the rockite. We're going to get that nice and flat and level like to complete the seal of the pipe. There we go. Get that down, lock it all in. Nice. Looks good so far. Tapping it down a little bit more right there. It's basically just getting it locked in and leveled off. Very nice. Yep. Looks real good. Yep, big difference from before. Yes. Okay. All right, so we got the flange ready to go in place. And we're going to use these GRK RSS structural screws, 5/16 inch by 4 inch, very solid, very strong. And we're just going to run through the rockite, the wood epoxy, and going to make it to the subfloor as well. So you have 3 layers of connection, very solid. So we're going to get ready to do that next. All right, here we are locking the flange down. We've drilled the first 2 holes. We put the first 2 RSS screws in. We're going to go ahead and do the rest. Okay, got them all drilled out. You hear that torque is really working through there, locking it down. Oh. Back a little bit more. That's the good thing about these keyholes. Get them right where you need them at. Okay, boom, boom. Okay. A little bit more on that one. lined up. Yep. Perfect. Wax seal time. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and get that on there. There we are. So we got the wax seal ready, bolts ready. We're ready to seat. Okay, there it is. The new flange. Just gonna show you that mark real quick. Okay, so here we are. We got the toilet on the seal, made a seal, got the washer and the bolt on. We're now gonna tighten it. Nice and easy. You don't do a lot, but you do enough where it's firm and solid. On one side, and then we're going to come to the other side, do that. We'll kind of go back and forth a few times to even the pressure out. So now we're going to come over here and do this same one until I kind of go back and forth with it, because what it does is creates an even pressure between the two. We don't put too much one way or the other. So there we go. Just going to tighten it where it's firm. Okay, now just to see where we're at, let's give it a little move and see how it feels. Like I'm pulling. I'm gonna come back and do this now to even the load this way. Not much more though. Right about there, that's it. It's done. Don't want to twist it no more than that. We're gonna give this one more over here, and that's it. It's done. All right, we are done. Get this tightened up. Okay, done. All right, that's tight, ready to go. Let's turn them on. Hopefully this doesn't leak, as they often do when they've been played with, but we're good there, no leak. Good. Glad to see that. All right, let's let her fill up, and we'll give it its first flush. And so far, so good. We're not seeing any leaks. I'm going to check everything for anything else potentially wrong. I'm going to check under here. I always check these seals too to see if they're in bad shape. Looks okay. No leak there. Sometimes they do leak there as well. All looks good. No drips anywhere as it fills up. It's holding its water good. All right. Now for the magic, and as soon as it fills, we'll give it a flush. It doesn't really flush all the water out. All right, that was our first flush, and no water anywhere coming out. Perfect. We're gonna go check below as well. After I'm gonna do one more flush up this way. All right, flush two. That's a good flusher too. It's got a nice jet on it, don't it? It really gets all that. Yeah. And again, no leaks at all. Perfect. Let's go downstairs and check that out. Make sure we're doing good downstairs. All right, so we did the flush 3 times. Just checking above. Looks really good. Not a leak, not nothing. Perfect. It's all sealed up perfectly. All right.